Sir has a very unique perspective on governance. And this perspective has come out of his long-standing experience at the grassroots. We are all aware that he has lived his previous life prior to coming into politics with people. लोगों के साथ रहना, उनको समझना, उनकी दिक्कतें समझना, उनका सुख दुख बांटना, मतलब he has been there. He knows all the challenges that they go through, चाहे वो स्कूल एजुकेशन हो, चाहे वो एग्रीकल्चर है, चाहे बिजली, पानी, सड़क, मकान, you know, everything. He has been through it.
And all of it is lived experience. It's
Lived
not
experience.
read
And
in
lived
books.
experience is a very rich experience.
Yes.
And that is what shows in his vision, because he is a visionary. He doesn't believe that small patchwork से कोई काम हो सकता है. कुछ करना है तो ट्रांसफॉर्म करो, रिफॉर्म करो. He doesn't hesitate in reforming. You know, very small things which probably the public doesn't know. Small things like looking at laws, कि laws में burden क्या है आम इंसान के ऊपर. अगर किसी लॉ में लिखा है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वॉज टोल्ड दैट देयर इज सम लॉ विच सेज कि अगर आपने अपने बाथरूम को अंदर से वाइट वॉश नहीं किया हर 6 महीने में तो आपको इतना फाइन देना पड़ेगा. ये लॉ चला आ रहा है, किस जमाने से चला आ रहा है. सो ही सेड लुक एट इट, रिमूव इट. उसके ऊपर 50 केस, 5,000, 10,000, लाखों केस सिविल कोर्ट्स वगैरह में चल रहे होंगे. तो इस तरह की एक एक चीज में घुसना, टू लुक एट इट एंड टेल अस टू रिफॉर्म एंड ट्रांसफॉर्म सो दैट आम आदमी को कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो. द कॉमन मैन अंडरस्टैंड्स दैट गवर्नमेंट इज लुकिंग आफ्टर हिम और हर. I think that kind of a vision I have never seen in my entire career. I have done almost 37 years in the government. This is the first time I have come across such a visionary, such a tall person. I have not come across. I mean, I may appear biased, I may appear like a huge fan or something, but I am telling you from my professional experience. Professionally, he is very sound. He is the best that I have seen in my career.